Hey guys, how's it going? How to compare search results with Perplexity AI. So first of all, access Perplexity AI. Visit the website. Okay. Now what you're gonna do? Enter your query. Right. Let's say comparing results about. Let's compare results about climate change. Right. You can hit enter. Okay. And then review the summarized answer. Perplexity AI provides a summarized response, often supported by citation from multiple sources. Review the summary to get a high-level overview of your topic. And then next, explore the sources. You're going to see at the top the sources from here. Go ahead and visit every source and see the list of linked preferences. Perplexity typically includes credible sources, which are clickable for further reading. This lets you verify information and compare perspectives, and then compare with other search engines. Right? To get a broader comparison, you could repeat the search on other platforms like Google, right? And type the same topic, right? Climate change, right? And then you can go ahead to other browsers like Bing, right? Type climate change, okay? And then go to DuckDuckGo, which is another search go from here. And then compare the search results about a climate change, okay? And then you'll be able to see the information from different browsers, okay? And compare the results. Analyze key differences. Look for variations in information accuracy or emphasis, right? And the credibility of cited sources, right? And the depth of the explanation, bias, or results, right? And make sure that you leverage Perplexity's chat feature. Use the conversational, let me go back to Perplexity. Use the conversational interface to refine your question or dig deeper into aspects that you find unclear. For instance, ask for follow-up question. How does, if we are in if we are on the topic of climate change, we're gonna type, how does this differ from what? Name the source. Let's say, for example, the Britannica, right? Name Britannica, okay? Or other sources that you feel like you want to compare them, and how this differ, or how does this differ from the source says, right? And then ask the follow-up question. This method ensures you get diverse perspectives and can critically assess which platform provides the most reliable or relevant information. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.